Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Matt and Gina. We're here today at Whitaker Ponds Nature Park. Thanks for joining us. We're gonna be hiking around, checking out the birds and the ponds and the slough. And yeah, check it out. We'll see you in a few.
Hi guys, good morning. Hi, good afternoon. Hope you watch until the end. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care always. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay Philippines.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good afternoon. We are here now at
We're at Whitaker Ponds Nature Park.
Nature
And
Park.
slough.
Ito siya. Ang ganda. Punta kayo dito pag may time kayo para ma-relax naman kayo. Maganda siya. Like that. Welcome to
Whitaker Ponds Nature. Gina's cold. She's getting her hat. I told you. I told you it's gonna be windy. Come on.
Nilalagyan pala ng screen kasi para hindi ka madulas. Lalo na pag nag-snow, madudulas ka. Kaya nilalagyan nila ng screen. Oh man, don't do that. Malamig. Mula pagdating ko dito, wala akong napuntahan na hindi malamig. Puro malamig. Oh, maganda guys. Oh, it's so nice. No birds. Sa kanila kasi ganito. Mga park nila ganito. Ganda na. Ayan to. Wala naman isda. Ponds. Pero wala naman siya isda. Tulak kayo. It's so deep.
Yeah, it's deep.
How many feet?
I don't know.
Oh no. Guys, tingnan nyo. May mga baby. Oh. Ganito, parang may buhaya, no? Yeah, I think, maganda dito pasyalan, kaso lang yun lang, yung isa is malamig, tapos nakakatakot sa tubig, diba? O tingnan nyo yung tubig, o katakot. Ayoko nga, lamig. Bibi, pato, gansa, pabo. Diba dami? Ano kayo yan dyan? Okay, we'll go over there. Hello. Sha, come on. Let's go. Yung palaka?
No, I hear one over there.
Oh, well, let's go and we'll see the palaka over there.
I don't think we'll see it.
Yeah.
you see where they put that fence around that? So
Where?
the beaver, right? Put the fence around the tree so the beavers won't eat it.
Oh,
The beavers chew through it and knock it down. And then they...
why even here have a beaver?
Yeah, they live here in the pond.
Really?
Yeah.
So meaning there are a lot.
Yeah, there's a lot.
Hello. Parang layo. Kaya pala guys, nakita nyo ba tong screen? Ito may screen ang puno. Kasi kinakain ng anong hayop nun, beaver?
Beaver will chop the tree down.
Kinakain niya daw ang puno. Tapos this one?
That one might have been touched.
Kinakain niya ang puno. Natutumba, kaya nilalagyan ng screen. Pero hindi naman totally lahat nilalagyan ng screen. Ayan, may mga screen ng puno. Pinoprotektahan nila. Like katulad nito, parang katabi-tabi siya. Matt, this one, I think so. The beaver eat that one.
When you see it like at a point, they chew it down and then it falls over. Yeah.
Oh.
So, but some of these might have been trimmed just for maintenance, but yeah, a lot of them, the beaver eats it.
Well, you should be careful here.
Yeah, you be careful.
Oh, where are we going to pass by? And slowly. Tingnan mo siya. Wait for me.
Careful.
Ewan ko kung anong klaseng halaman to. Maganda na ang dahon. Parang layo pa yata ng aming lalakarin. Matt, what's this? Parang na-intriga ako eh. Parang yung may bunga. Ay,
It's like maybe a holly plant or something. I don't know. I'm not sure. Some sort of ivy of some sort.
How about here? Here. Oh, the water is clogged.
Up there. See.
Yeah, it's so hard. Yeah. Ay, bilat mo. So dangerous here at night.
Oh, you're not allowed here at night.
Huh?
You're not allowed here at night. Close at 5 p.m. You see all the ducks over here?
Daming gansa, girls. So, nalipad. Nalipad sila. I don't know kung saan pupunta. Lilipat yata sa kabilang panig. Come on. Stay on trails. What's that? Sensitive turtle?
Because it's a wildlife refuge. They want to protect the habitat for the animals.
What? Ibon. Come on! Ang ganda. Ang dami nila, oh. Ayun, oh. Nalangoy. Ek, ek, ek. Oh, yan ang sound. Bagay, halika na. Ang boyfriend kong to, pasaway din to kung minsan eh. Ayan, may ibon. Ayan sa puno. Oh. Ay! Not here! Nalamat, it's there, oh.
Yeah, it's the goose.
Maybe they will attack us.
Why are they gonna attack you?
No, slowly. I will take it with you.
They're over there. They know that we're on the trail. It's okay. They live here. We don't. They know. Yeah, it's a goose. Or,
Ang dami nila, di ba?
maybe that's a gaggle. Oh yeah, those are goose. Those are from Canada. And they fly south for the winter. Some of them hang out here. Some of them go further south. But yeah, that's it. They live here. I don't know if that's a Canadian goose, but I'm not sure. I think they're Canadian.
Yeah, maybe sometimes we're gonna try to visit Canada.
Maybe.
Far?
No, it's only a couple hours away from here.
Yeah?
It's a 3-hour drive to Canada.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Good. Ang ganda dito, ang nature. Ay! Mati. Okay. Oh, yeah, here. I saw.
This is from the beaver.
That one?
That one. You see how they eat it?
Oh my. Ay, grabe pala to
This is the beaver.
ang beaver pala. Grabe pala kinakaon. Grabe pala ngipin nito. O, tingnan mo dyan ang puno, oh. Kaya nilagyan ng screen para hindi niya makaan. Kasi puputulin niya pala talaga. Actually, hindi ka na maghirap sa pagputol ng kahoy, no? Kung mayroong beaver. Kaso, beaver?
Yeah, the beaver did that.
The beaver did that.
They want to do is they want to get the tree, knock the tree down, and they want to build a dam. And they eat the tree, they eat the bark, they eat it. They
Oh no. Oh my God.
build houses out of it.
So
Dam
meaning,
up the pond and
oh no. Kita nyo guys, grabe ngipin niya, no? Kaya niyang putulin ng kahoy na ganong kalaki. Ay, ito, oh, ang dami, Matt. Oh, take a look, oh.
yeah.
Ang dami niya palang kinakain na puno. Yeah.
Starting to chew on this one right here.
Ito yung inaumpisahan niya, oh. Ayan, ganyan. Tapos, halos lahat puputulin niya pala, guys. Tingnan. Wow. So, why they didn't put a screen?
Well, they you know, we start with one, this one's too late, it's dead, they're gonna have to cut it down.
Ay, grabe. Ang grabe pala siya. Grabe ang ngipin nito, eh. Grabe pala ang ngipin niya, no? Kayang-kaya niyang putulin ang kahoy. Grabe naman din. Ito lang pag yung parang palipas oras, o hindi kayong pumunta dito, mamamasyal, titingin-tingin sa pan, dun sa mga ang dami din naglalakad dito. Pwede ka mag-jogging, marami din nagtatakbo, nagja-jogging, ganda. Yun lang, parang ayan, ang dami. Yung tunog. this, Matt? Wala na kasi parang hindi naman nila to naaayos talaga. Parang hindi pa na-update ba. Tapos pag sa gabi sarado.
See all these trees down here?
Yeah.
The beaver does that. It wants to stop the flow of water.
Oh.
They cut them down, they drag them down there, and yeah, the beavers do that.
Why they want to stay in the water?
Yeah, they live down there. They get all the sticks and the trees, they dam it up, and then they get mud, and they make little houses and stuff. Like maybe in there that could die. I don't
Oh
know.
no, I didn't see that. I didn't see that the beaver.
They're hiding now. Like all that over there, all those twigs.
Yeah.
It's probably like a beaver house.
Oh no. Nakita niyo guys, may araw, pero yung kamay ko parang mapuputol sa sobrang lamig. Malamig talaga. Yeah. Diretso sa tubig. Tumalon ka. You jump. Parang may buhaya. Feeling ko yung tubig. Nakakatakot dito pag yung pumunta kayo na kayo. Ikaw lang mag-isa. Baka may itulak ko mo. Actually, hindi, wala naman sa kanila sa isip. Pero syempre, mas mabuti na mag-ingat dito. Pero maganda. Fresh. Nakakawala ng stress. Pag pumunta ka dito. Ganda. Ganda. Yun lang. Sa panahon ngayon malamig. Kaya parang hindi masyadong ikot-ikot kasi sa super lamig. Pabalik-balik. Gusto na yata tumalon niya. Matt! Come over! Kasi may paplano magmamagnet daw siya sa tulay. Ano ba yan?